Okay, abusunya yɛbɛma kwaba sonko so ɛreba POG Media so. Ɛyɛ NDC ora team no. Ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔmo bɔ adwuma yi a abusunya ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa. Ɛyɛ track bi a NPP officials are loading with millions of Ghana cedis. Ɛna ɛkyɛ sɛ NDC ora team no COP Kofi Boakye ɛne ne nkɔɔfoɔ atrake akɔakɔkye no wɔ Ghana yɛ borders ne bi so a abusunya enye asem ketewa akra na eye NPP officials no edin bi aba abonten a edin na apiepie wom na je se sankofo na omoye behind track na alodi eye sika no abusua edin no ebobo ba abonten a enye yize kra yensan momre no yenko na yenkonko tie ensema ekose na ansa na ebeko no owo ensem kan bi afahye ye comment section like na share ma afofron so no ensa into me enkabi abusuya aha POG Media so political trending stories are making waves in yen so ya dia tum say yede bebremo unsubscribe ya subscribe like na share ma afofron so no ensa into me enkabi medamase
NPP finish Ghana. NPP finish Ghana. This is Ghana, who baby I want to go. So that she one pass here, and see one who say, and this lady penny pa a ura. Into baby I want to Ghana.
Abusia, Miniano, and Nkomoi, my main family voice emra from Kakra. Na yensuya dear pa na you and near ma so a woman. Video we a alleged video because I feel na ura eba make official statement and they are confirming and a denying. But se who share video na so and some so ewa ha say na Operation Recover All Loot. Operation Recover All Loot. Akwa Impound. Car. Sika yemu ma. NPP officials bi aye nim womu. Edi sika na gu car yemu edi a share electoral commission for one bag mu. Womo de cross border. Abusia. Video we a video me sisu bio. Ora for enya hint no ma ko stop it car cross Ghana se na sika ayemu ma hwe sika no mu yini sa no MPP ma brofo MPP mu yini pa boneyefo hwe sa sika we wo mo de cross border so mo de ko Togo mo de ko Burkina Faso o mu do no mo distribute me wo France wa ha me wo business partner wa ha me wo company wa ha me wo me nua bi wa ha na omo de sika no ma wo mo ento ombe ko position 8 years 4 years 20 years still no me so wiska because omo wia went na fenyo marking ekotena parliament bia na fairness yi ba ho no ma se finance minister nominee no busa no ora attorney general nominee no busa no ora busa ko sports minister ora ho asem abusa bebo full video na ma wati ensem ana ekum wo ho enti wo mo di sika na hye electoral commission bag mu enzo do asia so we electoral commission near ma ye de ko ahase ye no omo de ko enti sanka ora team ni ho no obi enya confident be report mo say this is the hint I say sika we mu ni ngebeti aye. Do you know what this money could do? Yes, we're mining nisika. Yes, isika ya nwachire yen. Yet isika so ampa ekomodi ampa. NPP 4. Etu ya Ghana babunu na woti ho na NPP na NDC winya akora na nka Mahama afeli. Sa? Sika homodi kwesa sika wo nya bi. Unya bi. Kapre kra unya. Meaning say a support to party because of say for fantasy sake or what? You're very bad. Abujamen kasanche yanko na afi yanko share video yentie de se video de e ma da but yentie nkoma na ekoso mu sometimes asem bi sia nkoma ekoso wa akire no ye de justify niam ekoso mu abujan yanko
when you Burkina Faso, I would be far. The border towns, this is what the cool say. Baby, what this guy? This guy, what the man want now? Well, first of this can be seen the contact with the very much. You know, did it. NPP at Akroma, scanning in Nadia. And I go say 8 years long. I say, oh man, Buja.
Go back and let us. Hello, Linda.
So, Biaman and in the hall. NPP ministers in one CEO, yes, can and a woman baby, what the fancy. Biaman and in the way and bank official.
ya yesika any good ya yesika o yesika and omode ko omo tweko saa o they don't care. NPP omo inform ho da enti wahu Yura John Dramani Mahama, a very strategic and experienced president. Because how would you even thought to say winning election na ya kaso no winning no and not forming ora? Why? Because when we say a man for benya hint of Akuffo one more day a Japade ni sike dwane. And the best thing obey man say Mamin sa group way na amanfo nya confidence bi no report issues on fema wom. This is John Dramani Mahama. She says bag you go have a bag. She bag. He sika nko an ya de ko na moya sa niam we nyina ebeye den na yesi di no enwiki because mo amum produce mo nso a mo nsave wa ha ena mo nso a mo twede ko enti yesi di ni beye hata eba ni saying na ye package sika bebrebe we nyina de gu bag ba kum de ma egu car ba kum e share letter even the idea cross and fancy letter fumu letter commission bag mu kran is the total wickedness. A strategy ya planning mama execute a far entisanko already hono mo enanka enipa no bia nya kokuduro se we ena meji omudi enti mama from nka nkyere wo mo a akasa sikenka yakọ NPP mo better opposition mo opposition efata mo papa Montreal because I dream boni we musika we ye be gini nyina sika we ye beje mutwa mutishe mo mu kura ye beje adana mo awdwe mo nipa boni efo sa
energy sector enyamode ho nsem paade a makwadru wom eyemu enhwehwemu mini kan misa se Ghana the state of energy sector se ya no eyade a ehu ya Ghana was a Ghana ni adwendwe kodana.
Oh yes, it was a konana if the sector na say kikasa say kan ya mvanza sector na pro na titia apansam nti say ya nye bibia mfa ho ani manimu ya ahwa na dum so na beba no ne kese no be bro 2015 to 2016 there no nti was say make sure say sika bia na se bia obia na brevia obia no ye committee some resources no to that sector. The entire kasa sector no asay anase apro mate say obus can be doing say 2.5 billion and they say increase it to $3 billion. So sika certain contract sika one power purchase agreement hoka INTI sika gas supply contract sika INTI sika sometimes I will say local companies be a more supply with some of these gas products at Twabo gas processing plant ENI eligibly omunyina ye ka omunyina kana ye di omone IPPs no, especially also the public sector players or industry no more ho kana ya kano around $3 billion no no free. I think the sector agencies now also wo kabi omonso omode ECG as of 2023 they ka 47 billion Ghana cedis. And
ECG as at 2023
yeah, the liabilities 47 billion Ghana cedis, and the interest bearing ECG interest bearing liabilities no Fibia no na me fa different loan no loan is our 4 billion Ghana cedis, which means our loan no Fibia no tua ho si ho at that time of 2023 nti se wanye bibi amfa ho a ne equity dwindle na se ne mfaso no kofum mfaso nye equity nye mfaso ba mfanse ne capital component na also didi ni juma no kofum because
sika botne also didi ni juma no
sika botne also didi ni juma no kofum because at that time no obehun say the liabilities are increasing. For example, liabilities increasing from 35 billion in 2022 to about 42 or 45 billion in 2023. Because of saying sika botine no ekofom na bibia just obo bosia
and the
soso ye na dwuma and bosia no so obo no say antimantua bosia
interesting so da ho nya sepitwa
nya kitwa and I hear so we collapse some of the banks because banks no obo bosia free omo hono no so antimankutua and other liquidity constraints about face banks no say so another major problem there. We see free very honestly liabilities 22 billion, and liabilities could may not only be sebia or no ebo busia, but there are certain eka I want to mean to a cano maybe Najuma for want to mo want to mean to or mo sika nyina mo ebia nema wata want to mean to hoka any kanketing tibia ode and also 22 billion Ghana cedis. So 22 billion Ghana cedis would free however netco also ne liabilities almost around 7 to 11 billion Ghana cedis. So sector no agencies ni nyina deka, and because also when nyina deka no they are not able to realize a lot of profit, and that is what the facts are also saying. Say most of them are in a downward trend with respect to profitability, because netco ebo ka 2023-2024 report in May, but 2023 netco no consume less than 20% of power you produce with also customer base of less than 20%. No we have about 748 million Ghana cedis as of 2023. ECG are also a major customer on the customer base about 80%, Oboka almost 6 billion Ghana cedis. In 2022 Oboka almost 8 billion Ghana. So between 2 years in ECG Boka 14 billion Ghana cedis. The liabilities are increasing, total equity is decreasing. It means that any injection of any capital be an asset be the best or masia sector will collapse. So the sector is now in a brink of collapse because one investment with respect to infrastructure and cost sector no infrastructure obsolete, and the sector and infrastructure obsolete in the long run no the everybody say you be a lot of localized faults, right? Localized for the former minister no eka say dum CC no ebeba bebre because there was also a system no upgrade the whole grid infrastructure no, and also distribution infrastructure. So one timi anya ebesai na another thing na ama system na sa prone their distribution losses. So ECG the distribution losses no benchmark at PRC demand is around 24%, but in the distribution losses around 37%. So allowable benchmark at PRC demand no omo diabroso omo diako 37%. So that is also a major blow to the industry because sa 37% ni na no eyeka I the amount. For example, ya ton kania no amount 100 cedis e koton before beton 100 cities no crown distribution systems na be obsolete and I say nye papa no and I say can na be cost no ntino what lose mu 37%. Won ton you won but what lose 37%, which is the 100 cities more what lose 37 cities e free mu. Now what lose 37 na free mu no so no na ka saying I think 63 cities. 63 cities na what ton no. San jisika no so maya won timi jisika no so wajimu 47 averagely 47 cities. Nti abribia no you are losing from the distribution.
And say wakofa niema na eniema no 10,000 Ghana cedis. Before eniema no kwa no obekwa akoton kra no wa bomuka me fa say 10,000 Ghana cedis no wa bomuka be say 3,000 3,500 and aka 6,500 6,500 no so akoton ye no fa hu sika bra nso a eno nso
sika no wa lose 47 penalty minya and as 470 na otiminya nti yaka no eno nso ayeka. So that is the problem with ECG.
But unim say eba ye Ghana ordinary Ghanaian level na say ye can ye can say ECG losses are na ebebre entiase because obia nim say for best 4 years ni nkaniabo ya tumu best bia be 500%. Even last year krano say wo hwe nkania ene no after sa omu install new meters any this helped up no money the adjustment o ma ya obi wo hono ma ni bill na ye 200 Ghana he say be 600 cedis obi wo hono ma 1,000 he say on number 3,000 4,000 enti no ya na Ghana for ntiase say day in day out ya to nkania buo mu enti say ECG say me fan say quarterly me fan say 2023 anu the whole year no unya 1 billion na say year no ya to nkania buo mu be say 200% ya Ghana ni hwehwe say ubenya be wanya konye 2.5 billion Ghana cedis enti losses ni fa the free ayeba.
So first of all I think that one the reason why ECG to mobilize a lot of revenue some illicit activities between workers and staff of some ECG ECG and some of its staff engage in illicit activities with
my phone
be ne phone be ne timamfo no mu yusu kaniano money ebinum ye kanana so that sikanka was ECD nyano onya. So that's one of the reasons why ECG is not able to recover most of the revenue also recover. The second part is that yes ebinum so ewia kaniano omu yusu
illegal
connection omuntia and also eka ho ntina ECG ntimi recover ni sika nyina. The third part no so central government aban MDAs no MMDAs no a major consumer of power. 80% of arrears in terms of power no aban a no amu ontua 80% of car ECG amount for the ECG kazo betise bia postpaid phone and obi a use kania wontua sa arrears no 80% borne by
so they are net say omo state institutions ko twitwa kania.
Yes, 80% is borne by central government. So central government so no eka ho na ECG ntimi sika no. And lastly, how the Bank of Ghana also manages the cedi no and also can because most of the times you know PRC compute and also compute the tariff structure no the ECG ndodoa no etono and also omo ton kania no omo ton no dollar mu omo dia mai na ECG convert into cedis na waton amayen but the cedi no depreciate more because of say ono the ton cedi no tariff adjustment is not real time. Adjusted tariff in real time. It takes a longer time for us to adjust tariffs. So period of new CD depreciation and new tariff adjustment, you know, it may cause us what we call forex losses. And the forex losses no so no who difference between the also OJ and the waji. So the projected and the actual. And also it may affect the ECG. But I think that the forex may not be a major problem. The major problem is that government is not paying. There are also illicit activities between some workers of ECG and some Ghanaians and also Ghana phobia also or dreams.
Okay, abusia we ne ensema ekoso ewo political highway so eye oratim no ene te say yete say omo attract eye tracker omo alloading with millions of Ghana cedis omo di dwane every Ghana ha eno ho nsem ena yete na abusia yensem mo me ebeda masese mo che pene kokuti sa audio no ede emai aha POG Media, so political trending stories are make waves in again. So, yeah, say the